Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the 2024 annual search for the Nationwide Math Wizard. So yung sa UP Math Wizard, mga Lodi Cakes. So for this problem, meron tayong definite integral. So we are asked to find the value of the integral of x to the fourth all over 1 plus 2024 raised to x dx from negative 5 to positive 5. So kung mapapansin natin, yung given natin guys is hindi siya yung usual na mga integral problems na nasosolve natin na yung mga basic na integration of powers, mga ganon, yung mga integration of trigonometric, etc. Medyo tricky tong problem na to and gagamit tayo ng kakaibang property na siguro nakita nyo na somewhere pero hindi nyo alam paano gamitin. So meron kasi tayong tinatawag guys na King's property. So ito guys, explain ni Sir IJ ano yung King's property ng isang integral. So the King's property for integrals. So usually kasi ginagamit natin yung King's property kapag ito ang pinakamadaling paggamitan niya honestly is yung mga boundary na kapag in-add natin to will be equal to 0. Although pwede rin naman siya kahit from 0 to pi or certain values, pero pinakamagandang paggamitan nito is yung mga ganitong klase ng problem. So ano ba yung King's property ng integral, Sir IJ? So that is the integral of f of x dx from a to b. So the definite integral is equal to the integral of f of a plus b minus x dx from a to b. So may proof yan, may geometric proof yan, pero pwede nyo naman panoorin sa YouTube mga Lodi Cakes. Marami naman yung mga sample na or nagbigay ng proof nito. So ito kasi 60 seconds lang yung problem, kaya dapat kabisado mo tong property na to para mabilis mong ma-evaluate yung integral na to since calculators are not allowed during this UP Math Wizard competition. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So ibig sabihin pala, the integral of f of x dx from a to b is equal to this. So from negative 5 to positive 5. So that is the integral of this expression. So we have x to the fourth all over 1 plus 2024 raised to x is equal to, okay, that's correct. So the integral from negative 5 to 5 ng f of negative 5 plus 5, kasi yung a natin negative 5, yung b natin ay positive 5, minus x dx. So that is the integral of f of negative x. Ano yung f of negative x, Sir IJ? So the f of negative x is yung isa-substitute natin yung negative x dun sa original function natin. So ano na mangyayari dyan, Lodi Cakes? So x to the fourth all over 1 plus 2024 raised to x. So that is f of negative x will be equal to negative x raised to the fourth power all over 1 plus 2024 raised to negative x. And once i-simplify natin to guys, so this is x to the fourth all over 1 plus 1 over 2024 raised to x. So kung math wizard ka or math enthusiast ka, mabilis mo lang masisimplify to into, so that is x to the fourth, dahil denominator to, aangat to mga Lodi Cakes. 2024 raised to x all over 2024 raised to x times 1, so that is 1 plus 2024 raised to x. So ito kasi yung 1, tas ito yan, binaligtad lang ni Sir IJ. So ito yung f of negative x, di ba equal silang dalawa? So let this be equal to I, and ito equal din sa I. So ito I, ito is an I, so we have I plus I will be equal to this, guys. So the integral of x to the fourth, sorry, nawala yung dx mga idolo. X to the fourth all over 1 plus 2024 raised to x dx from negative 5 to 5 plus this I. Kasi diba equal lang naman sila according to the King's property. So we have the integral from negative 5 to 5 nitong x raised to 2000, or sorry, x raised to 4th multiplied by 2024 raised to x all over 1 plus 2024 raised to x dx. Kung titingnan nyo guys, di ba kapag nag-evaluate naman tayo nito, same lang naman yung limits, pwede nating i-add to, yung expressions here. So what will happen, Sir IJ? Kapag i-add natin itong dalawang to, copy lang naman yung denominator, sorry guys, and then factor out natin yung common, which is yung x to the fourth. So this will be equal to the integral of x to the fourth multiplied by 1 for this plus 2024 raised to x all over 1 plus 2024 raised to the x dx, which will cancel this out, negative 5 to 5, and this one is equal to 2i. in which this is now the integral of x to the fourth dx from negative 5 to positive 5. So, ano na mangyari dyan? So, for the final part of the solution, so ito na magiging final part natin. So, the 2i is equal to the integral of x to the fourth. Ang integral ng x to the fourth is x raised to 5 over 5. Tama ba guys? X raised to 5 over 5 evaluated from negative 5 to 5. So, ito medyo mabilis lang naman to kasi kapag sinubstitute natin yung 5 dito, 5 to the 5th over 5, that is 5 to the 4th. Kapag negative naman, negative 5 raised to the 5th power, that's negative 5 to the 5th. All over 5, that is negative 5 raised to the 4th. So this will now be 2i equals 5 to the 4th is 625 minus negative 625. So i-minus nyo lang yan divided by 2. Therefore, the correct answer for this Math Wizard problem is 625. So kapag in-evaluate natin tong definite integral nito, that is 625. So ano po ba yung importante dyan, Sir IJ? Dapat alam nyo yung King's property, especially if you're joining competitions like this, dahil speed test kasi toto yung pressure. So as much as possible, mas marami kayong ma-encounter na problems like this kung gusto nyo maging or kung gusto nyo mag-compete sa mga ganitong klase ng competition. And thank you so much guys sa panonood lagi sa channel natin, and sana may natutunan ulit kayo for today's video. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.